As Shoshone Bannock people, we are stronger when we stand together. This year's Red Ribbon Week theme is Life is a Puzzle, Solve It Drug-Free.
Hope is what keeps our community strong. And we'd like to live drug-free for our next generations, for our future.
The choices we make today shape the future of our Newana, our people. Living drug-free helps us to protect the dreams of our children and our grandchildren.
Every step towards a drug-free life is a step towards healing, and healing makes our community whole again.
Our culture teaches us responsibility, respect, and balance.
Come to talk to you about unity when it comes to these drugs. If we all stand together as one community, when we stand up against these drugs, then we become a strong community standing side by side.
Every puzzle piece matters, including yours. Together we can make our community strong and drug-free.